Hello class 12. Now I am going to start chapter mapping. Let A and B to non-empty sets. Then there exist rules or correspondence set by which each element X of A is related or associated with each element Y of B. Then F is called mapping. If maps from A into B, or A maps A into B. Let A and B two non-empty sets. A is a set and B is a set. Elements of set A are A, B, C, and elements of B 1, 2, 3. And elements of A are associated with elements of B by F. If I write F1 equal F A equal to 1, F B equal to 2, and F C equal to 3, that is, so I can say all elements of A associated with all elements of B by F. This is mapping. If A has elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and F A to B, that is F maps A to B by Fx equal to 2x, then one, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8 by Fx equal to 2x, elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is related to 2, that is each element of A is related to each element B by Fx equal to 2x. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. I can write it F1 equal to 2, F2 equal to 4, F3 equal to 6, and F4 equal to 8. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. This is mapping from A to B. Each element of A is associated to a unique element of B in mapping. It may occur in two various ways. One way is into and, another way is on to. There are two types of mapping. One is into and another is onto. Into mapping is of two types. One into mapping and many one into mapping. Onto mapping has also two types. This is one onto and many one onto. What is one into and what is many one into? What is many one into and many one into? Into mapping. Into mapping. Here two sets are A and B. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. A, B. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. A2, B2, C3. This is into mapping. This is 1 1 and this is many 1 into mapping. Why? A here if A equal to 1, if B equal to 2, we get it from definition of mapping. If C equal to 6 and if 4 equal to if D equal to 4. Every element of A is related to unique element in B, but in B there is at least one element which has no preimage in A. So it is into. Why 1 1? Since here if A equal to 1, if B equal to 2, if C equal to 6 and if D equal to 4, so it is 1 1. But why it is into? There exists at least one element in B which has no preimage in A. This is 1 1 and this is many 1. Why this is many 1? By if. Here if A equal to 2 and if B equal to also 2, if C equal to 3, if 1 2, if B 2, that is each element of A is related to unique element in B, so it is into. Yes, so it is many 1. A goes to 2 and B goes to 2. A goes to 2 and B goes to 2. That means 2 has 2 preimage A and B. 2 has 2 preimage A and B, so it is many 1. Many 1. Many goes to 1, so I can say many 1. And why this is into? There exists at least one element in B which has no preimage in A. Here 1 has no preimage in A, 4 has no preimage in A, so it is into. This is what is onto mapping. Onto mapping is it is 1 1 into onto and this is many 1 onto. Here A B C 1 2 3 A B C by F. This is 1 1. So because if A equal to 1, A1 has preimage which is called A, 2 has preimage B and 3 has preimage C. If A equal to 1, if B equal to 2 and if C equal to 3. And every element of B has unique preimage in A. So it is onto mapping. There is no extra element in B which has no preimage in A. So it is onto. 1 1 onto. And this is 1 1. This is many 1. A B 1. A B C 2 and D 3. F. This is many 1 onto, because since A equal to 1, A B equal to 2, A goes to 1 and B goes to 1. Otherwise I can say 1 has preimage A and 1 has preimage B. So it is many 1, if B equal to 1, if C equal to 2 and if D equal to 4. If C equal to 2 and if D equal to 3. There is no extra element in B which has no preimage in A. So it is onto. In onto mapping, there is no extra element in B which has no preimage in A, but in into mapping there exists at least one element in B which has no every element of B which has preimage in A, which has no preimage in A. In into mapping there exists at least one element in B which has no preimage in A, but in onto mapping there exists at least no element in B which has no preimage in A. Every element has preimage. In onto mapping, every element of B has preimage in A. This is the difference between into and onto mapping. Next portion is 1-1 mapping is called injective mapping, and onto mapping is called surjective mapping. If a mapping is 1-1 and as well as onto, this is called bijective mapping. So I can write 1-1 onto mapping is called bijective mapping. Okay, now I am ending here.